going now? Gotta get to my Mickey, huh? What? 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 You left your Mickey over there. Okay, you drink your juice, now you're drinking your milk, huh? Ow! Oh, what?
Yeah.
What? What? Up, going through the bridge again. What, you didn't go through your bridge today? What? What? See? Look. Look. What? Now, everybody's seeing you crying on TV. Huh? Everybody's going to see you crying on TV. Yeah. Up we go. Or are you getting tired again?
Yeah, I only took a half-hour nap, Uncle Wendy.
Yes, it wasn't very long. We came back to it.
What are you going to do with your mom's mail?
That's why he's still going out to the house, ain't it?
Mm-hmm. Who's that?
Buddy.
So probably we need to go out there and get the mail.
There you go, that'll keep you up.
Well, they had sort of turned around and tried it one way and he still got to him.
No.
So he turned it on the other way. And
Well,
that
if
stopped
we do,
him.
let me get a cup of hot cocoa before we go.
Oh. So we need to go to the post office?
Yeah, but you need her signature.
Not really.
The one I filled out, I had to have her signature. Well, I had to have Darren's signature.
You can sign it because she's
And
not.
have her mail go where?
I guess go to my place until we figure out what she's going to.
Oh, it's just her whole income tax thing.
What?
And
In case people coming in here soon. Well, let me get a hot
Okay.
cocoa.
yeah, is that right?
Are you still filming?
Yeah.
Do what?
still filming. Watch his little smile there. Hey, we gotta go at the house.
Oh, I got that done.
That should keep him out for a while.
He tried to reach the pillow over here.
Yeah, he tried to
Reach it,
over
and he
and
couldn't
get
get the pillow out. Well, this way.
That'll work for a month or two. He's not going to be long before he's going to be tall enough.
Yeah, but hopefully in a month or two he'll grow out
He'll
of
give it up.
wanting to grab it.
What?
Huh? Yeah. Hey, he tried to reach. He just had the tip of the one of the smaller pillows and couldn't bring it up.
Ooh, what do you see? You see something good, don't you?
Is that ice cream?
No, it says,
No, those cake pops.
yeah,
Oh,
those cake.
yeah. That's selling over at
Sam's Club, you can buy a whole big box of them.
Already made.
Yeah,
all right. Oh,
yeah, because I seen them at Sam's